up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I finally got my new tires in, so we're gonna be throwing those on the car. Haven't even been able to drive because shit's just so bald. If anybody got S2000, you know that's just super sketchy. So today we're gonna get the car jacked up, take the old tires off, then take these and go get them mounted and balanced. So I got the wheels cleaned a little bit. Got them tucked away in the, oh shit, hold up. Never mind. Got them tucked away in the 240. Never even mentioned I had this. Then I got the tires in here. Another wheel back there. Let's head off to the tire shop. My man's got the RC car out. Got two of them. Three of them. Got the new tires all mounted up. Got one in here, one in the trunk. Treating the 240 like a truck. It's a work truck today. Back home. About to grab the wheels. Get them thrown back on. Go for a little ride. Curious to see how the 255s are gonna poke a little more, because just from looking at them, I can tell they're way thicker. Got like a more of a bulge right here too, so I hope it'll fill some of that gap and act almost like a spacer. I was here about to put the tire on, and I look up from the coilover, realized that this black boot, I could have swore it's like it's supposed to connect to the top, and it's filled with oil. But maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm tripping.
Oh, now you tripping.
Yeah, so like I was saying earlier, these are a lot wider. Just looking at them now, I can see it's gonna fill in a lot more space. It might even be too close. I'm low-key kind of worried, but I'm gonna let y'all look at it before I actually lower it down. I wish I would have showed y'all before, but if you just look down, it looks like, you know, that's straight up right there. So I don't know, I'm gonna lower it down and we're gonna see. So I got it lowered all the way down. It definitely feels a lot more of that gap. I could probably go a bit lower too, but the car is kind of jacked up on the other side, so we'll see, but I should be fine, no clipping. Definitely looks way meatier. Fills in a lot more space. I'm on the other side now, and it's the same thing, so either it's supposed to be like that or both of mine are just busted. I don't know. I do not know. So I pulled up at the car wash. Gonna give it a quick rinse, because as you can see, it's dirty as hell. Dirty girl. Not gonna wash it too much, just rinse it real quick. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but definitely need it. Look at them tires poking, boy. I definitely gotta adjust the height on the back and one in the front. because it's a bit uneven, but definitely filled in a lot of that gap. Plus it just looks mean. Look at that dirt. Ah. Alright, I'm probably going to end the video here, but the car definitely looks meaner from behind. A lot wider in the back. Felt alright on the way over here, but I definitely needed alignment. I can feel it. It's kind of swaying a little bit, but get the alignment dialed in, probably adjust the height. Fix the fitment a bit in the front. I could probably get a little tighter up there, then move on to bigger and better things, man. But if you like the video, like, subscribe, comment.